Yeah, I'm putting this study in, man. We had 2 services, 6 a.m., 8 a.m. And now we're getting ready for 11 a.m. They're down in worship now, praising God. And then we have a 5 o'clock p.m. Then I have to go do some hospital visits after this. It's rough. And, you know, a lot of people don't really truly understand the stuff that we have to go through and put up with and behind the scenes and how we give ourselves. This young pastor said, you know, I want to be able to preach the way you preach. And I was like, yo, brother, don't ever ask that. Just ask God to be an individual and use your gifts. Because in order to preach the way we preach, that means you have to go through 14 rehabs, 9 detoxes, sniff 17 bags of heroin a day, smoke $2,100 worth of cocaine every day, go through Southern State, Leesburg, Riverfront, Rahway State Prison, be homeless, sleeping in the park, sleeping in cars, stealing your children's Christmas toys from under a tree, disappointing your family, breaking your heart, watching your mother's hair go gray and your father become frail, and all your relatives loving you from a distance and not wanting to be hurt by you again. And you know, God turned all that around. So a lot of times people, they see your glory, but they don't know your story.
You say it's a bad man's world, huh? Okay. We'll see. Man's world, then the good die young. If you live by the gun, then you die by the gun. If you live by the sword, then you die by the sword. But if you walk with the Lord, then you talk with the Lord, then you and the Lord will always be on one accord. So many people lost and they're searching for more, but I'm a spiritual warrior here to settle the score. Plus I'm led by the Spirit and I'm here to change the world. One Father, one Son, one moon and one sun, one cross and one death, and the victory is won. I'm a Christian, not a coward, I ain't never been a chump. I'm on that down south, bout it, yeah, I get it crunk. If there's a demon in my presence, make him tremble and run. I'm not afraid of the dark, cause the devil is a punk. Yes, we could get it on and do whatever you want. This is a call to all soldiers, cause the battle has begun.
They want to have what you have, but they don't want to go through what you had to go through to get it. And there's a lot of people along the way that died of an overdose, died in prison, still in prison, in a mental institution. So I thank God. And I always tell people, just be yourself. Whatever you are, just be yourself, because you might not be able to survive somebody else's testimony. You know? So I'm a study, man.
That's why you have to give him a celebration. You're not celebrating where you are right now yet. You're celebrating where the Lord has brought you from. And if he brought you from somewhere, you need to be able to celebrate. And the thing I like about this, the thing I like about this is I don't need anybody to help me celebrate. That was back when, oh God, that was back in when I had to be a people pleaser. That was back in when I cared about what you thought. That was back when I dressed the way you wanted me to dress. But right about now, when I think about how good the Lord has been to